What up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Mogul. Welcome to Crown Life Chronicles. If it's your first time here, make sure you go out, you hit that post notification, turn on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, drop some comments, share me out to your friends, go down into the description box. Anywhere that I can be found on social media, it's going to be down in there. Make sure you go follow me on all those platforms, and welcome to the Crown Life. Okay, so today I want to show you guys how I'm creating my new lip gloss tube labels, because yes, your girl is introducing lip glosses to the store. If you're interested in shopping or booking a lash appointment, hit that link down below. It's going to take you wherever you need to go and find all the information you need to know. Got it? Got it. Good. Okay. First, we are creating our labels in Avery. We're going to be creating the clear gloss stickers. I had to start that all over, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna jump right into it right now because I messed up, y'all. But anyway, you're gonna go to avery.com, scroll to the bottom where it says get started, then you're gonna hit start designing. Okay, I'm gonna type in which one I want. The number is 5195. It's a 2 by 2/3 by 1 3/4 label. So it's the address label that you see like at the top of the envelope with your return address on it. Pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna click that. You'll know that they'll print it for you because it says you print or we print. If you don't see we print on there, then that's not something that they're going to print, or whatever, however you want to go. So we're gonna select that one. I'm gonna select the blank one because let me go back. These are all different templates that they have. The only reason I could see myself using any of these templates is because things like the Hello Kitty. See how that one has the purple color gradient effect. What else? I like this one up here with this XO, but I'm not using those. I'm gonna use a blank template. But first, now that I've got my template open, I'm gonna go back to my magic eraser. If you guys are interested in knowing all the different programs, apps, everything that I use in my business, for running my business, for creating logos, creating Instagram, social media graphics, creating ebooks, lists, any of that stuff, let me know and I will put something together for you guys. I don't know if it'll be free or not, or how exactly I'm going to do it, because it is a lot of information, and this is over years of me playing around with apps and learning what works best for what, so forth and so forth. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment down below, let me know, and I will get right on that. But magic eraser, I just gave you one. Okay, I've already created my designs. So the first one, why does this one look so much bigger though? Oh, I know why. So the first one is going to be for my glosses. So you're just going to pick the picture. If you need to crop it, you can change. Like if I had other stuff in the background, I could crop it down. But I don't need to worry about cropping it because I already did it when I screenshot it. So see the orange arrow down there with the stars? That's going to give you, you tap it one time and it's going to do everything. Like, bam, like that. The only thing you would need to go in is stuff that has closed holes, which if you use PicMonkey or anything like that, you should already know how to do this. This can also be done in Photoshop, but I don't have Photoshop. So I use this. I'm gonna go through and make all my holes. Now, why am I doing this? And why did I have to start over? Because I did not do this on my last design, which means because I'm using a transparent sticker. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all that, didn't I? I'm using a transparent sticker. Had I just used my design straight the way that it was gonna come out with a white background. So I need to go into here and create a vector format. And that allows you to have a sticker look. That looks like it was laser printed onto your container. Let me get right in there. Wow. Like so, like so. And make sure all the white spots is covered or taken out that you want. Then you're gonna hit this little box with the arrow all the way to the right. You can still save it as a JPEG with a white background, but that completely defeats the purpose because that's what we just cut out. So we're gonna save it as the PNG, transparent. I always save a high resolution. So that's the first one. Then you hit done, hit the back arrow at the top left, You can say start over because you already saved it. Now I'm gonna do my oil. Same thing, tap it one time, go in, zoom in with 2 fingers. Okay. I don't know why I feel like this one has so much more white in it. I feel like I need to go back and check the other one just in case. Get rid of that. And so, bam. There goes that. Same thing. Top right corner. Alright, save it. High resolution. Now, how do you check your work? I'm just gonna clear that back out. How do you check your work? Go into your photo albums. Click on the picture. Okay. Alright now. Go look at that other one. Damn. All right, so now that we got those done, we're gonna go back to Avery. You're gonna hit add objects, image, camera roll, photo library. And it's gonna be the 2 I just did. I'm gonna start with the gloss first. See that little red line? Those are your guides. Do not bring your image outside of those lines because it may get cut off in printing. I usually try to bring mine almost like right to the edge because I like to live on the edge, but maybe just a little bit, a little too much on the edge now. All right, check it. Does it look centered? Nope, it needs to come down because my crown is at the top somewhere. Okay. I want it over some more. I wish the iPhone came with the stylus, like my Android, but it does not. And I don't think I can screen record on the Android. So that is the gloss done. Oh my God. So, all right, save current project. Now, like I said, I did this before. Lipgloss done. And I had to redo it because I did it with a white background. So now that one's done. I'm gonna hit my back arrow and back because I already saved it. I'm gonna pick a new blank template and I'm just gonna do it for my oil. Add object, image, camera roll, photo library, and oil. Wait for it to load. Oh, I just figured out how to do that. Okay, now I don't need to do that, so put it back. Bring it down, bring it down. Burn, chicka, burn, burn. And now the second one is done. Same thing here. Hit the 3 dots at the top. Save current. This is design. Okay, this is what it looks like if you hit sheet. You can, when it says edit all, that's gonna edit all the labels on that sheet. If you hit edit 1, it's literally gonna edit whatever label you choose. So if you want to have one sheet that had multiple designs on it, then you would use this feature. I don't know if you can I don't know if you can, what's the word I'm looking for? Choose multiple boxes at the same time with the edit one. But edit all, like I said, does the entire sheet. So let me play with something real quick. Anyway, so yeah, this is what that looks like. Where's the preview? I don't remember. Oh, here it is. So what did I hit? So preview, hit project. See there it says, let us print for you. Prices as low as $7. Delivery is for 3 days. But I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to email myself a PDF. Do I want to email a PDF? I don't know. I don't think I need to. But yeah, you can see what they look like. This is what they're gonna look like on the sticker. See the white space around it? That's all space that you cannot design in. But I'm happy. I'm happy with it. Oh shit. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna go back. Bio. And that is how you create your stickers in Avery. Any questions? Raise your hand. Okay, no questions. Bet. Awesome. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing for all of my supplies. I've got packages coming. One is already here. Another package supposed to be here today. Another package supposed to be here tomorrow. And then the other one is somewhere between tomorrow and next week. And I'm hoping that it comes tomorrow because I don't understand why it's going to take so long. But yeah, I got some new videos in the works for you guys. And I need to finish vlogging. Finish editing all of the vlogs I've done from New Year's till now that I just haven't put up. I finally got New Year's up, so if you haven't watched it yet, go back, watch the New Year's one. Nothing fancy schmancy happened, but I need the views, I need the comments, go interact, share it out, whatever, blah, blah. And then if you did a holiday video or anything like that, comment it below so I can go watch your stuff and see what you did over the holidays, okay? That is it for now. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Turn on your post notifications. Hit the little bell so you know when I'm up here, okay? Because I don't like to be in the world by myself, okay? And yeah, that's it. All the information you're going to need is down in the description box. Remember, if you want information on my apps that I use to do everything for my business, let me know down below, okay? And yeah, go follow your girl. Go stalk your girl. Go find me everywhere, okay? Bye. I don't know what that was.